everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a weekly spread for July 6th through the 12th. I'm going to be using a super cute kit from Design Lovely Studios. I'll have it linked below in the description for you. It is the vacation one that she came out with last year. It's this one. Don't mind these are for next week, but it's this really cool pink, yellow, and blue kit from her shop. So cute. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll be back with you in just a minute. Great, so I have all the stickers cut now. They're all ready to go onto the planner itself. Before I do any stickers though, I like to go in with washi to cover, like, especially if the kit doesn't match my planner very well. This year I got a pretty neutral one, which is really nice, but I don't like the peach and the kit with all these yellows and blues and different pinks. So I'm going to use these three colors here. Let's see if I can get to focus a little better. There we go. Get the lighting changed. So we have this pink one, a bluey teal, and then a like goldenrod yellow. So I'm going to put them on and cover the little pink, and I will be right back again. On, we're just going to add the stickers. So I really like this one from Design Lovely Studios specifically. Her weekly spending sticker is so stinking cute, and it has like everything that I need. It's just really helpful to help me keep track of my spending, which is one of my goals for this year, so we can save and redo the floors in our house. We're going to put, let's see, I think I like this one. I don't like where it says notes. It's just a pet peeve of mine. So I always cover it with either like some kits come with like ones that look like it's specifically to cover that section, or one like this that has like a little spot to write. Normally I write like a normal like helpful hint for the week, or like, oh my gosh, this big thing's coming up, don't forget about it. And then I use these ones for meal planning, say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday on them, and it just helps keep like our menu in mind. I don't always follow it 100% because sometimes like I flip-flop them, but at least I have it there and I can mark it off when I like switch it. And then really love this one, so it's gonna go on Saturday, right? Like, should I go here? Like that. Did not get that even, but now you can't tell. Because I have Sundays and Tuesdays off, I think I'll put this one that says say yes to new adventures on Tuesday, so Milo and I can go have some fun. I like the carousel if it's opened up again, or to the park, or whatever might be going on that day. Then I'll put this one, good vibes only, on my other day off, so on Sunday. What I'm gonna do on the bottom here. Really like using kits because like it's so like my planner always looks similar, but because of where I put the stickers and like what the stickers say, it's always unique to that specific day. Also, a nifty trick is to flip one on the side, like a full box sticker, like this. Then it's like I can put like notes for like my last half of my work week or whatever. For this checkbox, I'm going to put it like so. I really love layered boxes. I think the first time I saw them was from Keloa Plan, and she just always looks so cute. And then I'm gonna put a checkbox on Wednesday, and then I'll just write any like notes that I have or like to do for while I'm working. And then like this one right here, just to help even out that look. Don't like how swampily that looks, but it's fine. And then we'll put this one here. And then I'm gonna put a little checkbox on right there. And then this week is payday. So I did print off her payday sticker, which I think is gonna look so good right there. And then I'm gonna mark my days off with her day off stickers as well, just because they're split. Like they're always the same day as off, but sometimes it's just a little bit nicer to have it marked down somewhere where I can like visually see it. And it also helps me keep track of the days. That one. And the last one. That. Now, this is pretty good for like before the pen. I'll always insert a clip at the very end of the video just showing what it looks like once it's all filled in and I've used it for that week. Or you can check it out on my Instagram, which is linked below as well. Again, thank you so much for watching Sierra Plans, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Oh my God.